Hey everyone, welcome to this new video. Today, I'm going to explain how I managed to win over 698 euros with the Chicken Cross game, available on MyStake, one of the best online casinos. If you're a fan of simple games with huge win potential, you're going to love this one. I'll walk you through how to maximize your chances of winning while minimizing the risks. The game is straightforward. You choose your bet, which can be as low as Euro-UN, and your goal is to cross the road without hitting any obstacles. The aim? To reach a multiplier before stopping. Personally, I recommend aiming for a UN.5x multiplier. Why? Because at that level, you double your stake, allowing you to quickly recover your initial investment. It's all about playing smart, and in just a few rounds, you can rack up some serious profits. Since the game is still relatively new, there are great opportunities to make solid gains, and to help you get started, I've got an exclusive bonus just for you. If you don't have a MyStake account yet, click the link in the description to get a 100% no deposit bonus. But be careful, it's really important to click this link to ensure you land on the official MyStake site and avoid counterfeits or fraudulent websites. Don't miss out on this great offer. So, what are you waiting for? Join in, click the link in the description, and start playing today. Double your winnings with this simple yet effective method, and most importantly, have fun while playing responsibly. I'll see you soon with more tips and tricks to help you maximize your profits in online casinos. Good luck and happy gaming!